Introducing the African Diaspora News Channel app, your gateway to stories that's overlooked by the corporate mainstream media.
And we serve as the voice to the so-called Black community.
Here we got Dr. Candace Matthews.
A lot of these documents, looking at.
We are committed to informing and educating through the power of media.
This country is supposed to be about the land of the free for all. It has not been free for Black people, and we are tired.
With our platform, we're helping to end injustice by exposing it.
Join us in standing for excellence in journalism and serving our community. Download the African Diaspora News app today.
In this TikTok video, this boy goes around asking Russians which continent they hate the most or they would not visit, and this white lady's response was quite interesting. Check out this video and let us come back and have a short discussion.
Asking Russians what country they like the least.
Почему-то страны Африки. Жарко, бедно, грязно. Жарко, бедно, грязно.
She said Russia, Baba. She said Russia. Russia, South Africa, man. You know. No.
Jakarta.
I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you right now. What's up, bro?
Hello, African Diaspora family. My name is Renee Lumurema, and I am your host right here on the African Diaspora News channel. I'm reporting live from Johannesburg, South Africa. So as you've seen this video, this woman is saying she hates all the African countries because of the poverty and the lack of sanitation in our continent, and it's just hot. It's everything bad you can think of. This woman just mentioned it right there. And I should say that Russia has never invaded any continent, so they are not colonizers. They do not know what is up. They are trying so hard to build the economy of the African continent. They're trying so hard to unify us, and to be honest, South Africa, we love Putin. We love Vladimir Putin and the work that he has done for us, and the BRICS and everything, always putting the African leaders in good faith, always striving to empower the African leaders. We see him and we like him, and we are aware that not all Russian people are as smart as Putin. So that little girl, or this little white woman, we will forgive her. But to say that the African nations are hot, there's poverty, we are not clean, we're not sanitized, it's just wrong on all scales. Have you seen your teeth? Have you seen her teeth? And we are the ones that are not clean. Come on, guys. Them folks, they do not, I don't want to say a lot of things, but knowing them folks, they're not the most cleanest people out there. They are not the most cleanest people out there, so they're the last people to talk. Africa has gone through so much, and the poverty can be amounted to the Western countries coming in and out and just taking, But when it comes to cleanliness, please don't play the African people. Please don't play us. We are clean. We bath. We know how to take soap and, so don't come for us. Looking at your teeth, you're the last person to speak. What do you think about this segment? Comment to us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share the broadcast. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss these groundbreaking conversations right here on the African Diaspora News channel.